In most of your projects, you will be working with breadboards. They come in different shapes and sizes. What you need to remember is how connections are made within the board. The top and bottom rows are called buses. The black line indicates that the spaces are connected between each other on the first row for its length. Where there is a gap in between two lines, there is no continuity between them. You should use these top and bottom sections to connect your board to the power supply. Use red for positive volts and the black lines for negative or ground. The lines in each section are connected just like so. The board can be divided in smaller sections not connected in between. However, you can add these connections. This is how the lines are connected. You need to remember this to make sure your circuit works. When building a breadboard layout, color coding is an important aspect. Make sure anything connected to the positive power is red, anything connected to negative is black, and use green for ground. Use a different color for the rest of your circuit and try to keep it consistent. For example, use purple for your op-amp circuit and blue for your modulator. Diagrams will always look different when built on the board. Start by adding the voltage and ground connections. Then consider how your components are connected. For instance, in this example, resistor 2 is connected to pin 6, pin 2 and resistor 1, and pin 2 is connected to resistor 1. Attach resistor 1 in a neutral position that allows coupling to both pins, then make the connections. When inserting wires, it is important to measure the right length. Make sure your connections look like this and not like this. This keeps the board neat and helps us reduce unnecessary noise and interference. When grabbing wires for your breadboard circuit, make sure you take single core wires and not multi-core. Use the wire strippers to cut your wires and also remove the insulator from the end like so. Ensure that the ends are long but not too long and not much metal is left uncovered. When inserting resistors in your circuit, apply the same principle. Make use of all the tools provided near each desk to ease your work.